Aback. Set of a sail when the wind is on the foreside of it. Backwash. Water forced astern by the action of the propeller. Cabin. A compartment in the accommodation area provided for a passenger or member of the ship's crew. Dan buoy. Pole or spar with ballasting weight at one end and buoyant unit at middle. Ebb. Vertical falling of water level due to tidal force. Fairlead. Fixture that ensures a rope leading in a desired direction. May be of any shape or material. Gale. A strong wind. Formerly applied to any fresh wind, now usually denotes wind of force 8 and above. Hack watch. Small timekeeper that is set to chronometer time and used on deck for timing astronomical sights. Ice lead. Navigable lane of water through ice. Jackknife. Knife with a folding blade. Invented by Jacques de Liege in late 16th century. Kaskazi. Arabic name for northeast monsoon on east coast of Africa. Labrador Current. Ocean current flowing from Davis Strait, along coasts of Labrador and Newfoundland, meeting Gulf Stream in latitude 41 degrees to 42 degrees north. Also known as Arctic Current. Magellanic Clouds. 3 masses of whitish nebulae near south pole of celestial concave. Oar. A pole, usually of wood, with a blade at one end and a handle at the other, which is pivoted on a fulcrum on the side of a boat to provide propulsion by moving the blade through the water. Pad eye. A ring or eye fixed to the deck to which a block or tackles may be shackled. Quality of the bottom. Nature of the seabed as ascertained by arming of lead. Raycon. A radar beacon which transmits a signal on receiving a radar signal from a ship and thus shows the range and bearing of the raycon on the ship's display. Sagging. A condition in which the hull of a vessel deflects downward so the ends of the keel are higher than the middle. Tackle. The running gear of a ship. Oar. Purchase made by reeving rope or chain through one or more blocks. Aloha's circle. White rainbow seen in fog or at night. Vane. Contrivance for indicating direction of wind. Oar. Blade of a towed or submerged log. Oar. Small flat plate used when sighting. Wall-sided. Set of a vessel having perpendicular sides. Xebec. Small three-masted, lateen-rigged trading vessel of Mediterranean Sea and Iberian coast. Yaw. A vessel's rotational motion about the vertical axis, causing the fore and aft ends to swing from side to side repetitively. Zenith. Point in the heavens vertically above an observer. Elevated pole of rational horizon.